Assalamualaikum 9 class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, designing website. So first we have to know what is basically HTML means. It stands for hypertext markup language that is used to create web pages. So as you know, when you send a request to a web server through a web browser to access a web page, means in response that web browser will understand HTML and displays contents of that web page. Now HTML tells the browsers how that contents are structured inside a web page, right? So that is the basic purpose of HTML. Basically it is used to create web page, right? So it consists of two terms. Number one is the hypertext, and second one is the markup language. So hypertext is basically used due to the special text that in a web page that is called as hyperlinks. Now these hyperlinks are used to move from one web page to another, and that is also navigate to the www, right? So that is the first term, hypertext. And the markup language consists of a series of elements which are represented by tags, as I've explained to you by the example. So there is an example with the tag, opening tag P. This stands for if you want to write a paragraph in a HTML document, then you have to use the P symbol, right? And these are called as the opening tag. Then you have to write this is paragraph, and this is called as the closing tag with a backward slash, right? With the forward slash, sorry, right? So first one is the opening tag, and then the content which is written in between these two tags, and then the closing tag. This is how these tags are used in a web page, and this is called as the markup language, right? So now there are basically two types of tags in HTML document. Number one is the pair tags, right? So they consist of a start tag and an end tag and contents between them. As I have explained it to you that there is a start tag, right? In between the two tags there is content, and there is a end tag. Now, a tag which consists of both closing and opening tag is called as the pair tags, right? And the singular tag basically consists of only opening tag. They do not have the closing tags in it.